Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were using your Garmin Connect app as usual, but now you're actually looking on how to export your data from the platform. Well, actually exporting usually means bulk. When we are talking about exporting, we are basically talking about formatted or basically for any third-party apps. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and see on how to export the data from Garmin Connect platform in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, the honest truth is, Garmin does not have a one-click CSV export for all of your data, but we can go and export all activities at once. So for example, I'm going through this app, just open it, log in. You can basically open your desktop also and go to this Garmin platform on their website. Well, as I told you before, you cannot export all activities at once, go scoreboards, and sleep, or even the body battery history whatsoever. But we have multiple options. You can go and pick activity by activity using the desktop. For example, go and look for activities, tap on activity, get icon, then export file. Then you can basically use a third-party apps, connect Strava, Renalyze, or basically Training Peaks. They pull your data automatically and let you export the CSV. You can also do it as for manual for any golf stats, sleep, or HRV you are looking at, copy paste or community script on basically GitHub or whatsoever. So I'm gonna show you right now. We're gonna tap on more, then activities. We're gonna go to all activities. I'm gonna tell you go to getting started into garminconnect.com/start and choose your Garmin device for information about uploading your activities. And that's it basically. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.